Welcome back to my lovely kids.
I hope you are happy and healthy.
My dear children, in the last video we learnt about nouns that they are name of person, animal, place or thing. Now today we'll do some exercises. So this is the worksheet. First of all we will read the question. Circle the naming words in the sentences. So we'll read all the sentences and in each sentence we'll circle the naming word. So let's start. First, the birds sang. So in this sentence, birds is a naming word. It's a name of an animal. So we'll circle birds here. Now in this sentence, which other word is there? Sang. But sang is not the name of a person, animal, place or thing. So we'll not circle sang. Now next sentence, I am a girl. So in this sentence, girl is the name of a person. So we will circle girl here. It's a naming word. Now come to the next sentence. I love my school. So in this sentence, school is a naming word. It's a name of a place. So we circled school here. Now come to the next sentence, fourth one. The pot is hot. In this sentence, pot is the name of a thing. So it's a naming word. We circled pot. Now come to the next sentence. The store is open. So in this sentence, store is a place. It's the name of a place where we go and buy things. So it's a naming word. So we circled store here. Now come to the next sentence, sixth. Father drives a car. So in this sentence, father is a naming word. It's the name of a person, so we will circle father here. In this sentence, one more naming word is there. Find out. Yes, it's a car. So car is a naming word. It's the name of a thing. So we circled car here. Now come to the next sentence. Cows give us milk. So in this sentence, cows is a naming word. So we will circle cows. It's the name of an animal. Now in this sentence, milk is also there. So milk is a naming word. It's the name of thing. Now come to the next sentence. Kitty. Kitty is a cat. Kitty is eating a fish. So in this sentence, kitty is a naming word. It's the name of an animal. So we will circle kitty here. It's a naming word. Now in this sentence, one more naming word is there, and that is fish. Fish is also a naming word. It's the name of an animal. So we circle fish. I saw a baby in a cot. So in this sentence, Here baby is a naming word. It's the name of a person. So we circled baby here. In this sentence, one more naming word is there, that is pot. Pot is the name of a thing. So we circled cot here. Now see 10th, Tina is going to London. So in this sentence, Tina is a naming word. It's the name of a person. So we circled Tina here. Now she's going to London. So here London is the name of a place. It's a naming word. So we circled London here. She is playing in the park. So in this sentence, park is a naming word. It's the name of a place where we go and play. Okay, so park is a naming word. The next sentence, my mother has a big bag. So here in this sentence, mother is a naming word, the name of a person. So in this sentence, one more naming word is there, so that is bag, because it's the name of a thing. So we circled bag also. It's a naming word. Now come to the 13th sentence. The doctor is wearing a white coat. So in this sentence, here doctor is a naming word. It's a name of a person. So we circled doctor here. Now in this sentence, one more naming word is there. That is coat. So because coat is a thing, the name of a thing, so we circled coat. It's a naming word. Now come to the next sentence. A tailor made a beautiful dress. So in this sentence, tailor is a naming word, name of a person. So we circled tailor. In this sentence, dress is also a naming word because it's the name of a thing. So let's do another exercise. Circle the nouns in the box. So the first word is chair. So chair is a naming word. So we circled it. Now the next word is sing. Sing is not a naming word. It's not the name of a person, animal, place or thing. So we will not circle it. Now run is there. Run is also not the naming word. So we will not circle both the words sing and run. Now come to the next word, Rohan. Rohan is the name of a person. So it's a naming word. So we will circle Rohan. Now come to the next word. The word is cake. Do you like cakes? Yes. So cake is a naming word. It's the name of a thing. So we circled it. Now the next is cat. Cat is the name of an animal. So we circled cat. It's a naming word. Now the next word is reed. Now reed is not a naming word. It's not the name of any animal, place, person or thing. So we will not circle it. Now come to the next word. The word is books. So books is a naming word. It's the name of a thing. So we will circle it. Now the next word is library. Library is a place where we go and read storybooks and other books. So it's a place. So it's a noun, naming word. So we circled library. It's a naming word. Now come to the next word. The next word is Delhi. So Delhi is the name of a place. Delhi is the capital of India. So it's a naming word. We'll circle Delhi. Now come to the next word. The next word is makes. So makes is not the name of person, animal, place or thing. So we will not circle makes. Now come to the next word. It is mum. So mum is a naming word, the name of a person. So it's a naming word. So we will circle mum. Now come to the next word, pencil. Pencil is the name of a thing. So we will circle pencil. It's a naming word. Next is apples. So apple is also a naming word. So we circled apple here. Now come to the next word. The word is dance. So here dance is not the name of person, animal, place or thing. So it's not a naming word. So we will not circle it. Now we'll read the question first. Complete the sentences using nouns from the boxes. So these are the sentences. What we have to do, we have to complete these sentences using the naming words which we have circled in the box. So the first sentence is dash is sitting on a dash. So here we will find out the word Rohan is sitting on a. Find out Rohan is sitting on a chair. So we will write here chair. Now Rohan is sitting on a chair. Now second sentence, dash is the capital of India. So what is the capital of India? So we will write Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. Now come to the next sentence. She goes to the dash to read books every day. So here we will find out the naming word which is to be written here. She goes to the library. We will write here library. She goes to the library to read books every day. Now this one is done. Here in this sentence, books is also a naming word. Now come to the next sentence. I write with my blue. I write with my blue. What can be written here? I write with my library. Delhi makes. Yes, pencil. I found it. So I write with my blue pencil. So here we will write pencil. Now come to the next sentence. My dash makes delicious food. Now find out the word. My mum makes delicious food. So mum is a naming word. Now come to the next sentence. I love to eat. So here two things are there. Cake is also there and apples are also there. So You can write any. So I love to eat apples. So I have written here apples. You can write cake also. So they both are naming words. So dear children, I hope you enjoyed the exercises done today. See you soon. Bye bye.